Hey, what's up guys, my name is Priyanshu and in this video we are going to learn about the pipes. So let's get started. So pipes are used to transform the data and it takes the input and performs some transformation and gives the output. Okay, so we use the pipe symbol just like you are seeing into the slide that this is the pipe operator. So with this we can use the pipes. So Angular provides some inbuilt pipes. So these are the inbuilt pipes which is provided by the Angular. Okay, so the first one is a uppercase pipe. So it transforms the data into the uppercase stream, and next one is a lowercase. So similarly the uppercase, it transforms the data into lowercase. So date pipe is used to transform the date into the particular format. Okay, so there are so many formats are available for the date transformation, so this is pretty useful. Okay, next one is a decimal pipes, so which is also called as a number pipe. So it transforms the number into the different formats. So for this we can use the number pipe or a decimal pipe. Next one is a slice. So that slice pipe is used to get some extract the string or extract the data from the given string, or it gives the substring. Okay, so next one is a Json pipe. So sometimes we need to debug our JSON object or JSON object in while developing the application. So for that we can use the Json pipe. Next one is currency pipe. So currency pipe is used to show the currency symbol and currency type of some transformation. So for that we can use the currency symbol. So guys, let's take one by one example. So let's open our Visual Studio. So guys, for the demonstration of the pipes, I have taken one object, the data object. This is our root component, and in that we have taken the one object that we having the name property, date property, salary and money. So one by one we will take the demonstration of each pipe. Okay, so first is our upper pipe. So for implementing the pipe or using the pipe, we use the this pipe symbol. As you seen here, that line is called a pipe symbol. So let's use our first pipe is uppercase. So everything in the uppercase is a small letter. So uppercase, and now save. So let's run our application and then we will see how it's going to transform. Okay, so Control Shift P, new Control Shift P. Let's run our application. Control Shift P, new command prompt, and run our application by using the npm start command. Npm start and enter. Our application is get running. Now let's take one example of one by one of each pipe. Okay, so our first pipe is uppercase pipe. So let's apply the uppercase pipe on the name property. So pipe symbol and uppercase. So it will transform this name Priyanshu into the uppercase letters. Okay, let's save this and let's observe the changes here. So it converts or transform into the capital letters or the transform into the uppercase. So let's move ahead and apply the second pipe, that is the lowercase pipe. Lower case, and save this. So it's already in the lowercase, but it again means it convert into the lowercase or transform the input into the lowercase. So it convert into the lowercase. Okay, so guys, we can also do the chaining of a pipe. So here it convert into lowercase and we chain it into the another pipe, that uppercase. So it first transform into the lowercase and then transform into the uppercase. So let's see and observe the changes here. So here the name is converted or transformed into the uppercase. So let's move ahead into the next pipe. So that is a date pipe. Okay, so let's apply the date pipe on the date property here. So pipe symbol and date. Okay, so we have here the date, something like that, whole timestamp with which Indian timestamp, and obviously we don't want to show this kind of date to on the our page or our website. So obviously we need to convert into or format it into the some specified format. So for that we use the date pipe. Okay, so let's save it and let's observe the changes here. So it convert into the some appropriate readable format. Okay, so this date pipe can also take the argument or parameter as a format. Okay, so how can we send the parameter to the date pipe? So by using the colon symbol, and next to the that colon symbol we can specify the format in the string. Okay, double quotes. Okay, so I convert this date into the dd, mm and yyyy format. Okay, so dd slash capital mm slash yyyy. So guys, we can convert this date into any kind of format as we want. Okay, for the demonstration I'm using the dd, mm, yyyy format. Okay, and by pass, how can we pass? By using the colon symbol. Now let's save and observe here the date will be converted into the 2010 and 2016. Yeah, it's converted into the 2010 2016. So in this way we can use the date pipe. Okay, so next move ahead into the numerical format pipes. So for that we having the decimal pipe. For the salary we having the 22 lakhs or something, or I'll make it as a 20,000. It's reasonable for okay, so it's a 20,000, but it's not a decimal format. So how can we convert into the decimal format? By using the decimal pipe. So the keyword for the decimal pipe is number. So number and save. Yep, it converted into the decimal format. Notice here the comma symbol is here. Okay, so in this way we can use the number format. Okay, so let's see the another example of number. So it also take parameters. From that we can specify the after decimal point, digit after decimal point, or before decimal point. So let's see the example of that also. So I am using here money property. So it's having a 100.20 something like that, 20. Okay, so this is the number. So I want to specify before decimal point 3 digit. Okay, 3 dot, and after the decimal point I want to show two places. Okay, and also we can specify here the maximum digits after the decimal. Okay, so the maximum will be a 3. Okay, so let's save it and observe. So I'll make it as it takes as a string parameter. So let's change the value here. Before decimal point I want 4 digits, so it will add the 0 in front of 1. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it apply 0 before the 1. Okay, similarly we can also specify the maximum number before the decimal point. Okay, so I'll make it as 3. So it will add the 0 after the 20 point, 20 after the 20. Okay, let's save. So it added the extra 0 after the 20. Okay, so in this way we can use the number format or decimal pipe. So let's take an example of the next pipe, that is the slice. Before slice we can take the example of currency. Okay, so how can we apply the currency pipe? Okay, so currency and save. So it will add the currency. We can also provide the parameter currency, so which currency we want to display. So here the first argument is a currency code, so USD for the US dollar, so it will display the USD before the 100.20. okay, it display the USD. If you want to show the symbol of US dollar, we have to pass here the next argument as a true, so colon true, so it will display US dollar symbol. So guys, here the dollar symbol is shown before the 100.20. okay, so in this way we can use the currency pipe. So we can specify here INR for Indian rupees, INR. okay, so it will display the rupees symbol here. Great, here rupees symbol is before the 100.20. okay, in this way we can use the currency pipe. So next one is slice pipe. So I'm taking the same property as name, and we apply the slice pipe. okay, so as we discussed, the slice pipe can extract the substring from the input string. Our name property is here, so let's apply the slice. So it takes first argument as a starting index from where we want to get slice. So I want to get that substring from the second indexed. okay, so I mention here 2 and let's save. So it will give me after the second index. So here Priyanshu 0, 1 and 2. So from 2 so it will give me a name property as a IYANSHU. okay, it gives me from the second index. So slice also take the second argument as a up to which index we want to get the slice or a substring from the current string. okay, from the input string. So the second parameter will be the up to parameter, means it not include that index, means from that if I mention here 5, so it will give me from 2 to 3 or 2 to 4, not 2 to 5. okay, so let's save it. So the fifth index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will get IYA. okay, so I'll getting here IYA. okay, label, so I need to here name. okay, so in this way we can use the slice pipe. okay, so let's move ahead, and next one is Json pipe. So sometimes we need to debug our JSON object or what it contain. So I simply shows here display the data object. okay, h3 and /h3, and inside I display the data object. okay, let's see what it display. So it display the object, but we want to see what inside it, so we can use the JSON pipe. So pipe JSON, so it is used for inspecting the JSON object. okay, so control S, and now it display the JSON string, what it contain. okay, so it display the JSON object. So it is more used in for debugging the JSON objects. So guys, we have seen all the pipes which is provided by the Angular inbuilt. okay, so in the next video we are going to see how to create custom pipe. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.